Archie came to us after a severe car accident. He broke 17 bones. He was worried about, will I ever be able to walk again? Am I going to lose my leg? And I told him that, our goal is to get you back riding horses and roping and being who you are. And we made that pact that we were going to rope one day when we got him through all that. And we've been able to do that, and that's pretty special.
So we team rope today. One guy ropes the head, the other guy ropes the feet to essentially lay the cow down, and then you doctor it. I can go do the work that is needed of me. I can be a father to my 2 little children, maybe one day to teach them to ride. I got a little limp, but it's a good story behind it. Today's been a good day.